Out how I use these 3 products to get fluffy, white and clean towels and bedding. You can either clean along with me and get motivated. We are officially in day 10 of the Christmas cleaning edition. So we're going to start off by stripping off our beds. So this method is for white bedding, but you can use it for towels as well, any other colored towels. You just have to skip another product, which I'll let you know in a moment. So I'm going to strip off all the bedding. This is white bedding, and I just prefer doing this method because it just ensures that my whites stay white and everything is clean and just, maintains its soft fluffiness, especially with the towels. So this is me just stripping off the bedding because we're going to do the bedding, the towels, and you can even do your bathroom mats as well. And this was on my to-do list for my Christmas to-do list. So you can, like I mentioned, clean along with me or just get motivated. You get your bicarbonate soda. They can look different, doesn't always have to be the exact same brand, but whichever one you have. What you're going to do is you're just going to open it up and then just pour it directly into the water, or you can even pour it onto the laundry itself that you're doing. Then you get your towel, check it. Pour some more bicarb soda. Leave this for overnight if you've got the time, but I'm going to leave mine for 30 minutes. The benefits of using bicarb soda is just to strip any odors or any stains from clothes or any bedding and stuff like that. So this is why I use it. It also makes everything softer as well, so that's why I prefer using bicarb soda. 30 minutes, or you can leave it for longer depending on how bad they are. Come back. Okay, then you're gonna open the washing machine. In there. White vinegar. White vinegar is gonna go into the fabric softener part. Repeat the same process for the white bedding, or you can even use it for your towels and your bathroom mats. I'm going to do the same for my bathroom mats as well. I've left it for 30 minutes and I'm going to take it out now. We're going to put it on the hottest setting so that everything is clean, and we're going to use white vinegar instead of a fabric softener. I'm also going to use the pink stuff. I'll explain why in a sec. After everything has been washed and dried, your towels will look nice and clean and fluffy towels. So little small towels too and big towels. So that is it. This works for everything else. It does not necessarily need to be a white towel or white bedding. You can use this method too. Stuff. The Miracle Oxy Powder Stain Remover. This is fantastic for all my whites. So white bedding and white towels. White vinegar. I use this. I actually add this. Instead of using fabric softener, I use this. And then I also use bicarbonate of soda. This is fantastic also for it's pre-soaking, so before I wash everything, I just soak everything in this. So these are the 3 products that I use. That is it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are officially in day 10, so join me tomorrow for another one. You have a lovely day. Bye.